Welcome back, DIYers. Antonio here for Ask Antonio segment once again. It's a beautiful spring day. We're out at the park right now. My rugrats are running around here somewhere. Where are they? I don't know. I can't see them. It's kind of cloudy out. But today we got a question from Joey. Joey from Maryland. He is a new homeowner and he just moved into his new house. And he wants to know, can I replace a kitchen faucet if I have no plumbing experience? I'm new to the DIY world and I found your channel, so I am looking to you for some advice. Thanks a lot, Joe. Appreciate you finding my channel, and stay tuned. We're gonna have a lot of funny stuff on here. So I'm gonna say, yeah, Joe, why not? You gotta start somewhere. That's how I started, trial and error. So first thing you want to do, clear everything out underneath that kitchen sink. You want to make sure the valves are shut off. Get a light under there, get the proper tools you're going to need. You're going to need some adjustable wrenches. And you'll probably need some basin wrenches, possibly, to get up underneath, depending upon what style faucet you have in there, to get those old wing nuts off of the old faucet. It really depends what type of faucet's in there. A lot of times when those things are pretty old, they can be really hard to get out, so it's going to be a real challenge for you. So it's good. It'll be good for you for a first timer. You got to learn somehow, right? So get under there, try to get those wing nuts, or however the faucet is installed under there. Make sure those water lines are shut off. Disconnect the water lines going to your valves. Just be very fragile with those water lines, because if they're old, sometimes, you know, depending upon if they're copper or plastic, but chances are you probably have copper lines if it's an older home. A lot of the newer homes are PVC or plastic or PEX. And just take your time and you know, loosen all those connections up and get that old faucet out. You know, obviously you're going to buy yourself a nice new faucet, and you know, just make sure you take your time. That's the best thing I could tell you as far as doing a first installation, and don't break anything. So good luck with that there, Joey. Let me know how you make out. It's going to be a fun little project for you, but you got to start somewhere. So good luck. Look at some YouTube channel, you know, step-by-steps, and you should be fine. Take care of yourself, buddy. Thanks again for tuning in to Ask Antonio, and I got to go find my boys.